जोशी. Garam plus ja o she. It's Joshi. No, its word is garama garam.
Garam.
Yes.
Joshi. Garam Joshi.
Yes, garam Joshi. So it's re. We have done a matra. It's a re matra. So garam. Okay. So we have write it just like garam. Re matra is there. Okay. So garam Joshi. Then next one is read.
Ma'am, I don't have the book. Can I go get the book?
Okay, I have a words. Okay, swagat. Swagat. Welcome is called a swagat. Garam Joshi means warmly.
Garam means warm. Joshi means
warmly. Okay, so swagat means welcome. Just like how we write it, it's sa plus va plus gat. Swagat. Gat. So swa SW is swa. Just like we have done a havan. Swaha. It's a swaha. Swagat. Okay. Swa. And that is gat. Swagat. Correct? Swagat means welcome. Now, next one is satkar. All the words are suitable for you, I think. Satkar. How you remember that his say is half, te is half. Its first one is garam. Firstly, you have to write a garam. Joshi. Then swagat. So you read swa. Sat. Satkar. Satkar. Onkar, satkar. Now the next word is it's easy for you. Naraj.
Ma'am, did you put an matra on the top?
No. Matra. Naraj. Na plus a.
Plus
a. Plus Raj. Ra. So Ra a j. Raj. Na a Raj. Naraj. What do you mean by the Naraj? Find out the meaning of Naraj. Okay, your next one is Pariche or it's a Pariche. Pariche. Now, what do you mean by the Pariche?
परिचय परिचय
Pari. It's pari.
परिचय
Pariche means bolo. It's mean unhappy. Okay, it's mean unhappy. And Pariche means it's an introduction.
What did you say?
I say your next word is, sixth one is
Ma'am, I don't have the book with me right now.
it's pa hit. Up. Just like you say a unseen passage, it's a unseen. Okay, a pathit. Same as it's a gadyansh. Gadyansh means it's a passage. Gad. It's a gad. It's a unseen, and that means a passage. So it's a unseen passage. Apathit gadyansh. Okay. So first one is, we have to start with the first one. It's a first one is garam joshi. It's garam joshi. It's a warmly swa gat. It's mean a welcome. Satkar. Satkar. It's respect. Naraj means unhappy. Pariche means introduction. And apathit gadyansh means unseen passage. It's called a gadyansh. How you write a gad? It's firstly you have to write a gad. Gad plus ansh. So gadyansh. Gad. Okay. Now read the first one is
garam joshi.
Correct. Second one is
Swagat.
Very good. Third one is
Satkar.
Correct. Fourth one is
Naraj.
Very good. Then
Paricha.
No, Pariche. Pariche. Then
Pariche.
Then Patit. Pa. Firstly, it's a plus pa plus thi. It's tha plus e is thi plus th. Apathit. Apathit गद्यांश.
गद्यांश
गद्यांश.
गद्यांश
So it's two times we have say a gad. Gद्यांश. Okay. Now you have to write a para. Okay. I dictate you a para. Write it. It's a revision work for you. What happened? Okay. Now. Okay. Now you have to write कितना कितना भी.
What did you say?
कितना.
कितना
Yes.
क ख क
का.
क
कितना.
ए
की. Firstly you have to write की. The na.
कितना
Yes.
Ma'am, next word.
ही अच्छा. It's a paragraph. It's a, only a rhyme. So कितना ही अच्छा.
कितना
ही.
कितना तो बात
And he.
कितना ही
Yeah. कितना ही
कितना ही
अच्छा हो. अच्छा.
अच्छा
Yeah. Good.
अच्छा
I think you don't write it. It's a.
अच्छा
It's
अच्छा.
a. Acha. It's a acha. Acha means good.
Ma'am, I got अच्छा spelling correct.
Okay, very good. Okay, now acha ho.
अच्छा हो
Yes. कितना ही अच्छा हो.
कितना ही अच्छा अच्छा
हो.
मैम
Then यदि.
यदि
Yes. यदि मैं बादल बन जाऊं.
यदि
मैं बादल.
यदि मैं
हाँ बादल.
यदि मैं
बादल.
बादल
बादल. But we have say always not a my. We have say a मैं. Okay, मैं means है. It's मैं means I. यदि मैं बादल बन जाऊं.
बादल बन जाऊं.
Yes.
Ch.
Ba, a, then bun,
Ow.
jow, jow.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Not ow, it's jow, jow,
Ow.
jow. Then neele, neele, neele. It's a blue.
Neele.
Neele,
No.
neele.
No. No.
Two times neele, neele. आसमान में आस
As.
यस आस
As.
आसमान में
Man में
यस आसमान आसमान मीन्स स्काई
Ma'am, do I have to put as and man together or separate?
it's are together आसमान
No.
आसमान means sky
Asman.
में
Ma'am, what did you say?
में means in
में?
में
Ma. Is. Ma'am.
now इधर firstly you have to write इधर उधर इधर उधर
Ma'am, what comes after me? Me.
then इधर
Me to बाद.
then इधर
Heed her.
e it's e
Her. E.
no it's e
E.
yeah इधर
E.
धर
Her. Her.
ध
Her.
धर
Her.
घर घर
Her.
घर it's इधर उधर
Udhar. Udhar. Not
उधर नहीं उधर मीन्स स्टमक हो जाएगा उधर उधर it's there there it's इधर उधर उधर
Udhar.
yeah
Can you please if you can take rest? Check the ingredients and not only the dogs, but the birds also
then okay you have to write firstly
water and shelter.
then मंडराऊं
Ma'am, what?
मंडराऊं
Manrao.
मंडराऊं
Mand.
मंडराऊं
And.
When they are
No.
मंडराऊं
No. Do. No.
this is our home. Like
Ma'am, what came before this?
yes
Manrao.
मंडराऊं then
Manrao Kupela.
मंडराऊं इधर उधर मंडराऊं
इधर उधर इधर
Not pahila, it's pehla.
ए
We have said before is a pehla. First you check these 4 lines, then we have done another word. Idhar mand, mand, it's ma and ang matra is there, ma ang d, mand ra a u, the Chandrakar Bindi mand ra u. The next line is
That hotness is melting the pancreas bone.
jab bhi, now jab jab
जब ज ज
jab
ज आ ब जब
jab, not a, it's jab jab
जब जब जब
jab bhi jab bhi
जब
jab bhi
भी
jab
Good.
bhi,
मैम टुगेदर और सेपरेट
it's separate.
जब
Bhi ba e bhi,
मैम नेक्स्ट
jab bhi देखूं देखूं
दे हूँ
देखूं, see, it's they then who, देखूं,
देखो देखो
yes
द द द ए मैम नेक्स्ट वर्ड
then सूखी
सूखी
सूखी सूखी
नेक्स्ट वर्ड
धरती
धरती
धरती, it's earth is called a धरती, देखूं धरती
धरती
धर धर, first we have to write a dhar dhar.
पानी आ रहा
See, that is dhara dhar, then ti ta iti dhar ti. The next line you have to done jhat 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 jhat.
Ma'am, what is the word? Ma'am, will there be a line? After this word will
After.
be line.
After this word, the another line is jhat. Jhat. Yes. Jha. Jhat. Jha झंडा. It's jhat. Jhata. Jhat. Jhat. पिघल. पिघल.
Ma'am, after Charti, is there supposed to be a stop? Full stop.
Full stop is just like a there. It's called a Brahm chain. There is no Brahm chain because it's a rhyme. Okay. So now jhat. The last line jhat. पिघल.
Chat.
पिघल.
Beagle.
No, melt means melt. Melt means पिघल.
Beagle.
पिघल. प. 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 पिघल. Just like a ice पिघल. Melting.
Eagle.
Then P. First you have to write P. Then girl.
Eagle.
झट पिघल. मैं जाऊं. झट पिघल. मैं जाऊं. मैं जाऊं. जाऊं.
Jump.
Yes. Okay, now read this rhyme. This
Wait.
Kavita. It's called a Kavita.
Ma'am, I can't understand jump.
Jaun. You have write in a second line, Badal ban jaun. The same just like a jaun.
Oh.
Okay, read.
कितना कितना
Correct.
ही तो त्वचा
No, not a ta. It's a.
अच्छा
Acha.
अच्छा
Yes.
हो eat
Yadi. Yadi. मैं
बादल
very good.
बन
Correct.
चल
Very good. Very good. Then first we read this word. Only this letter. Yeah. Ni.
नी लो
ले. A. तो नीले.
नीले
नीले नीले.
नीले नीले नीले
हाँ.
Asman.
Asman. Asman means sky. Okay.
Asman.
As. Firstly, as. Man. Asman.
Man. मैं इधर
Correct.
इधर उधर इधर उधर
One. One round. Mand round. One round. Then
जब
Hmm.
भी देखा
No, it's
दिखाओ
A who.
ये देखो सुखी
Very good.
बादल
Not. It's a the.
धरती
हाँ.
छोट
Third. Equal. Equal. Jaun. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now नवदीप जो वर्ड्स किए हैं उनको प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके. Okay, Navdeep. Today we have done a 7 words and you have done this. Okay. Now practice karo. Okay. Okay. Meet you tomorrow, Navdeep.